Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a lean environment. Create a Python 3. 8 plus Virtualenv and pip install speech recognition, plus a recorder backend like Pi Audio or Sound Device, and a recognition engine such as Vosk or Whisper. Once done, download the appropriate model files and store them under project/models. Make sure your microphone is set as the system input and run a quick sound device test to confirm levels. This gets you past basic setup and into the actual code quickly so you can capture audio without interruptions. You'll write code to capture and feed audio into the model. First, record or stream 16K HC, 16-bit mono PCM, WAV files work for batch jobs and streaming for live input. Then load your chosen model from models/ and create a recognizer instance, passing language and decoding parameters like beam width or temperature. Once initialized, loop over audio frames, call recognize or accept waveform on each block, and collect partial hypotheses so you can show live feedback while assembling the final transcript at the end. You finish by post-processing transcripts. Normalize casing and punctuation, attach timestamps and confidence where needed, and save or stream results. Make performance choices, switch to a GPU model or a smaller quantized model, change chunk size, or tune beam width for lower latency versus higher accuracy. If recognition fails, check common issues: wrong sample rate, muted or disabled microphone, incorrect model path, or missing permissions. Enable verbose logging to capture errors. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals misconfigured audio or file format mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.